iPhone time. Apple's got 3 new iPhones right now, so which one do you get and what do you do? Well, Apple made it a little bit simpler this year by breaking it into 2 different categories, so to speak. The Pro phones and the other phones. The iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max are really the replacements to the iPhone XS and XS Max. But the idea, maybe in giving it the Pro name, is that that price may not necessarily be for you, which is okay. In which case you get the iPhone 11, which is the sequel to the iPhone XR. So you got that. The difference here with the iPhone, the Pro models, is that they have nicer finishes, stainless steel, matte glass. They also have better displays, Super Retina XDR, that are more pixel dense and brighter. They also have an array of 3 cameras, 12 megapixel, with an option to zoom out a total of 4x, depending on if you're going super wide or going in a 2x optical zoom. That new extra level of zoom out, the wide angle, can be used for photos or video, and there's a feature coming out in the fall that's going to fuse all of these photos into a combination that will pull out detail and HDR to try to maximize the photo quality. We'll have to see how that works. But also these have better battery life. 4 hours longer for the Pro, 5 hours longer than the XS Max for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It feels like a mouthful for that one. There's no USB-C on the bottom, it's still Lightning, but it does come with an 18-watt charger in the box. Thank you. There is no ability to do anything extra with the back like rear charging for other devices. It's just the same contactless charging as before. So what you're looking at here is the battery life gains, the case, extra durability claims for water and for glass strength, and it's the camera. How good is the camera? Oh, and by the way, that front-facing camera can do slow-mo selfies now and has a wider area to look at. Well, we'll see. Night mode, which also looks fantastic, is not unique to this. In fact, it's also on the iPhone 11. And that's the question is, do you maybe want to get the iPhone 11, which starts at $699, includes the same A13 Bionic chip. It's an aluminum design, still sports really good battery life, it seems, and it only has the wide and ultra-wide camera, not the telephoto. We're not going to know the full answer until we test them all. But right now, it looks like the iPhone 11 will be the one for most people, and the Pro, if you really want to dive into those extra camera features, go right ahead and you can pay up. We'll take a look at these a lot more in the coming weeks. I'm Scott Stein here from Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino.